I got a 2015 Honda Odyssey, and the wrench light was on, and I'm going to show you guys how to reset it. Most people will assume it's from the display panel up here, but it's not. It's not in there. That's where your clock is and other stuff. So anyways, let's get to the point. What you're going to do is turn your car off. You got your key in the ignition. All right, so I got it in there. Click once, twice. When you're on the second one, this is how you reset it. This little thingy here. And what you're gonna do is hold it down, and you see that wrench came up for a second, but you just keep doing that, and you, when it gets to the oil life one, that's the one, and you hold it down for about 5, 6, 7 seconds like that, and you'll see it disappear. Once it disappears, it's now reset. You can start your car, and that's it. It's as easy. You have an older model Honda Odyssey. It also is reset from here, but you'll have like a display up there, and that's about it. So this works on most Honda Odysseys. I think as far back as 2000 or 2003. But if this video helped you out, just give me a thumbs up. So thanks for watching.